Bitcoin just surpassed $76,000 and went to $77,000 per Bitcoin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Crypto Profeta, and today we are going to talk about what just happened in the market. As 2 days ago, we were talking about it on my Twitter, on my X page. We were talking about the interest rate going down to 4.74 as well. We went to lower, we went to 75, but I've been talking about this 5th of November. We were talking about what was going to happen with the Federal Reserve and what they are going to do, because they have been talking about doing a soft landing. And by saying soft landing, we are talking about how they can bring the interest rate down without creating without creating a crisis. Okay, so that's the main thing that we have been talking about on my Twitter space, also on my Twitter pages. So let's get into it. So yes, we have been seeing that the Federal Reserve, by actually talking about lowering the interest rate, we saw that the interest rate cut that on Tuesday, we saw that the price of Bitcoin just sugar and went above 76,000. So even though the all-time high was at 77, but yes, the price sugar and went all up to 76,000, breaking the all-time high. And now we are at the all-time high of the price that you guys are seeing right now. And this is just a beginning of something that's going to happen. We saw that happen in 2020 after the election, and we saw this happening also the 26th in 2016. We saw it after the election, the price sugar up. But the question is, we also saw it back before the election in 2012. We saw the price skyrocket. But the question is the price going to keep on going up, or are we going to get a correction so the price can come back down a little bit more, and then we get the all-time high that we are targeting? Our target is approximately about 100K. And even though a lot of specialists are talking about seeing 125 or much more than that, but on this channel we are talking about the real deal about Bitcoin and what we are seeing, the better perspective of it. We are not talking from the perspective of FOMO, but we are talking of the perspective of the real, what we are seeing in the market happening, where the money flow is going to, and how we can manage to make money in this market. Yes, and I'm back with new videos. I'm going to start doing more videos on this channel, right? Because I have another YouTube channel in Spanish. If you guys speak Spanish, you guys can also follow me on that YouTube channel. But you guys know already that I have been doing videos for a long time already, and also doing crypto for more than 10 years. That means that we are going to talk a very good perspective of crypto and the whole entire industry, and how I'm seeing it coming forward, and how we can make money in this crypto. Knowing this, if you want to be a millionaire in crypto, it's not by buying Bitcoin, it's by buying different other cryptos that are low market cap and also low in the value of the token, so making it big. So on this YouTube channel, we are going to be talking about price actions. We are going to be talking about opportunities that comes around and how we can find these opportunities. So that means that I'm going to show you how to fish, so you can go out there and fish yourself. And I'm not going to be giving you out stuff, I mean, in the sense of giving you the new gym and stuff like that. No, I'm going to teach you how to fish, so you can go out yourself finding these cryptos, find these tokens, so you can be a millionaire by next year. Yes. Can you be a millionaire by next year? Yes. Follow, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do all this stuff that you guys are seeing. Yes, and the Fed did it. They lowered the interest rate, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can predict stuff like this and see it coming, okay? So after the winning of Donald Trump, you guys know Donald Trump, who is very pro crypto, has been talking about making crypto a platform friendly for people, and also for people that are going to start using crypto to do their transactions. So this means that a lot of people, that the money that was going out to Ukraine, the money that was going out to different country, now Donald Trump is going to bring that money back to the country, bring that money, the value back to the country, so the money can be moving around in the U.S. And listen, I'm not from the U.S., but I can see, I see the what's happening in the market, and I know how to manage to do it. So let's go back to the chart so we can see what we can expect and how we are seeing this price movement within crypto. Right now we are seeing that we did an all-time high and the price is coming back down. This is a monthly chart. So let me go to the weekly chart, because in the weekly we can see more stuff happening, and this is what we can expect. So we broke resistance. Actually, we broke resistance. We had a resistance at 71. We broke that one, and we also have, like, say, just before the election, the price was going to pump, and we are still in that upward trend that you guys are seeing right now. That we broke resistance, and now we are moving upward. So now, what are we going to see? We are going to see the price is going to come back down. It's going to create. It's going to come back down. It's going to retrace. Why? Because this angle right here was very big. So actually, we can see what we are seeing right here with this doji candle right here, that we are seeing the price can come back down and then retest this area right here that we're seeing, come back down within the downwards trend. But after, like I say, guys, after the announcement of the Fed, and interest rate is going down, so that means that the price of Bitcoin could go much higher, even though remember, even though in this section right here that we saw the price of Bitcoin going up, this means that the price interest rate was also high. So it can change a lot of stuff in this market. And from here on, we just are going to wait to see what's going to happen. Well, but one interesting thing that I want to show you guys is this right here that I created 16th of July in 2024, 16th of July. I created this example of what I trying to explain to you guys what I am seeing in this market. Let me refresh it so you guys can take a note of the dominance, the USDT dominancy. The USDT dominancy is the form of the investor going into safe haven to, retract and take their money, go into stablecoin to wait for the opportunity in the market. And as you guys, I see, I gave a very good strategy how to profit based on the market. USDT dominancy. I created this, and I'm gonna link it in the description so you guys can use it and save it as an example. See, guys, 16 people save it, 15 people like it, and this is a very fundamental stuff that you guys need to know. If you enter the crypto industry, you need to know about the USDT dominancy. It will help you a lot. You will grow and you will understand the market much better. So I give an example. For example, right here, TP means take profit, dominancy 370. As you guys can see, it went to 370. 7,000 and 73,000, and TP2 mean take profit 2, dominancy 2.48. Bitcoin will go approximately to 85. This is like approximately, and TP3 will be the dominancy, take profit, a dominancy at 1.92. So that means the dominancy, the Bitcoin will be approaching approximately about $150,000. So this means approximately. I'm not saying that will be the exactly price, but this is approximately. When you start seeing this, you are going to understand what I'm talking about. So we are going there right now, so I can explain to you guys what we have been seeing, and I've been talking about it on my Twitter Spaces and also on the Twitter Live that I've been doing, and a lot of people have been following me. And as you guys can see, I'm going to the weekly chart. So in the weekly chart, you guys are seeing that I did this head and shoulder pattern that I saw in the dominancy, and this means if the dominancy of USDT go down, that means people are extracting money of the USDT and then they're pulling it in Bitcoin. So that means if the dominancy of USDT goes down, Bitcoin is going up, and if the dominancy goes up, Bitcoin is going down. And I can show you in the chart, and we have been talking about it earlier. So as you guys can see right now, we have a very big candle right here that reach our first target. So I created in Spanish so you guys can see it, reach our first target, and now it's retracement, and you guys can we can expect a retracement back to the 5.36, and then from there on bypass our first target, TP1, and then go back down, retrace, and go back down to our last TP that will be approximately at 2.6. Okay, so this was this point right here that you guys are seeing, this one right here was the all-time high that we saw on the 14, right? This is the all-time high on the 14th of March 2024. And if I go to the chart, you guys can see 14th of March around here. 14th of March, let me go daily. 14th of March, the price of Bitcoin taps out. Okay, you guys see it right here. So now we are seeing that we bypassed this point right here, and on the dominancy, you guys can see we are almost we bypassed it already, in a sense of, because we have this retracement going up to search it, and that you guys can see it here on the dominancy right here, right? And then we can go back to the chart, and you guys are seeing we are coming back to retrace. So this has to do also with some liquidity. So that means that we are going to soon reach this point right here of the dominancy, and we can expect a much more higher price from Bitcoin. So as you guys can see right now, we have three candles going down, three candles going down on the USDT dominancy. Those said that means that the price of Bitcoin was going up while the dominancy was going down. Okay, remember that. If the dominancy goes up, yes, that means that Bitcoin is going down. And if the dominancy goes down, that means that Bitcoin is going up. So keep that in mind and keep that. So it's very important to understand what's happening in the market right now. We know that the Fed lowered the interest rate. So it means that they are trying to land the plane safely, like they always say. So we can expect in the near future, next year, that the price of Bitcoin will surpass its all-time, not only surpass its all-time high, it will surpass a lot of the stuff that we are seeing right now, the prices, and then hit 100K per Bitcoin. 100K, 120K, that's my point, but we can expect that. So right now, also Ethereum is doing a very good job at the point right now that we are seeing. We saw Ethereum is trying to bypass and trying to pass the all-time high, but is having a lot of difficulty, right? At this point, we guys are seeing this is dominancy of Ethereum. The dominancy of Ethereum went down, so that means that price of Ethereum is going up. And we created this so you guys can have a little bit of a vision of what was happening in the market. We saw this candle right here. The price went back, broke the support, and came back down to find this point right here. So we had this resistance, we have this support, and the price went sideways on accumulation phase. A Wyckoff accumulation phase, or we can call it distribution. And then from there on, we are seeing right now that the price went up. I mean, like the price of Ethereum went down, but on dominancy, you guys can see on my left hand, right? The dominancy went down, so that means that Ethereum went up, and now we're seeing a price back that come and touch this section right here. So it looks like the price of Ethereum is still struggling to get to a certain point, but if we go back to Ethereum itself, let's check Ethereum on the price, the dollar price. We are seeing that it's struggling to bypass that all-time high at 4K. So yeah, are we struggling? Yes, we are struggling to bypass that all-time high of 4K. Yes, we are doing it, but I know that we have the opportunity is coming for Ethereum, and we can see in the near future that Ethereum will outperform a lot of tokens and on percentage. Okay, on percentage. Let's not be on percentage. You guys see we are going back in this area that we created a couple of weeks ago. We're going back in this area, so that means that the price eventually can go a little bit more up, retrace, and then bypass and break the all-time high. Yes, it can break the all-time high. The all-time high is here on the price of Ethereum. No, the all-time high is here at 40K, 44,870. So these are the points of all-time high, but we have to break this this higher low right here that we're seeing. We have to break this higher low so we can expect the price to go back up and then retrace and then break the all-time high. So it looks like Ethereum is having a very difficultly breaking that structure that we are seeing right here in this area, this uptrend structure that we are seeing right here. So but we are holding that line right there. We are holding that line, And as you guys can see right now, we are coming back to test this position right here. So that means that the price could go, you know, up and then come back down and then break out of that singular position. Like we saw it here. The price bottom out. We have price went up, fake out, come back down, test, you know, and then come back up, create wanted to create an all-time high, but did not do it because if Vitalik and the foundation start selling, the price went back down, right? So you guys see the structure right here: up, down, retrace, up, down, retrace, and then break out. So we are waiting it for break this resistance right here. We have at $4,000 break that resistance, and we can say we are up for the 10K. So yes, am I seeing Ethereum on 10K? Yes. Can we expect it on 10K? Of course, we can expect on 10K that will be our price of getting out of the market. For myself, 10K, even 15K, but 10K will be my target for Ethereum to get out. So this will be my target right here. As the price goes up, sugar up, and then get into my target, I will put here Ethereum target, and this will be what I'm seeing for in the future for Ethereum and a lot of tokens. So guys, I hope you guys love this video for today. We have a lot of stuff coming up, of course. And congratulations, Donald Trump won, and a lot of stuff that we are seeing coming up, and you guys can expect a lot from me. So keep in mind, I will link in the description this right here, so you guys can get it and have it for yourself and save it, so you guys can understand what we are talking about. Okay, so yes, we did the prediction right here, and we also did a prediction. So keep in mind, guys, I will be creating more videos, how to find tokens, how to find airdrops, and how to understand the market and be early to a lot of narratives that are coming up. So keep that in mind, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and let me know what you find about this video. In the next video, hope you guys like it. See you the next time. Shoo!